Hi there, this is a quick video showing how to use ChatGPT with Alteryx via our new connector macro. ChatGPT is a natural language AI, and you've probably seen it in the news recently. A natural language AI can take data and instructions in standard English and respond in standard English. For this demo, we're going to show the situation where we want to clean up some text data, and this uses the ChatGPT Edits endpoint. So here is our sample file. Here is some text that we want to clean. And here's a comment just saying what we think is wrong with that text and what we can look at to see what needs to be fixed. For example, the punctuation statement has two terminating periods. We start with the text that needs to be cleaned up, and we're going to send this to ChatGPT with an instruction to edit the data. So that instruction is in standard English, and it says correct the text for spelling, grammar, punctuation, apostrophes, periods, subject-verb agreement, and correct dangling modifiers. So let's kick that off. Away we go. ChatGPT accepts an input string and an instruction string. You can also set other variables like temperature, which affects how adventurous you would like ChatGPT to be with its responses. The connector has logic to retry the service if it's busy, and has throttling to comply with the service rate limit requirements. So where are we? We're at record 6. We're done. So let's have a look at the output, and let's arrange the screen so it looks nice. The spelling mistake here was I went to their house, and that's been corrected. Punctuation, the two terminating periods have been corrected. Looks like a possessive apostrophe has been corrected here in it's a write-off and it's a write-off. In this statement, the sentence is not very elegant. Our policy is not well defined. It confuses many people. This has been corrected to two separate sentences. Subject-verb agreement. The profits earned by the agricultural industry is not high enough, and that has been corrected to the profits earned by the agricultural industry are not high enough. Finally, for dangling modifier error, they could see the eagle swooping with and diving with binoculars. That's been corrected to they could see eagles swooping and diving with binoculars, but they couldn't see the eagle's nests. So that's pretty good. The main point of this video is to show how easy it is to send your data to ChatGPT with instructions tailored specifically for your requirements in plain English. I've just set up some simple corrective editing in this example, but the beauty of the service is its flexibility and the fact that it can take instruction from a normal sentence. This connector gives you a way to start using the service immediately, and it also demonstrates how Alteryx can interface to new services almost as soon as they come online. Alteryx can blend, prepare, and shape the data to the requirements of each new service and process the results back into a form that your downstream systems can use, be they web pages, reports, dashboards, databases, or legacy systems. The AI sector is drawing investment and will see amazing growth in the next few years. The rapid turnaround for Alteryx development means that a connector like this one will very quickly bring these new capabilities directly to your business. If you'd like to know more, please contact Continuum Jersey, either by visiting the site at www.continuum.je or by emailing inquiries at continuum.je. Thank you very much for watching.